Hello and welcome to the screencast about concatenation of search terms for GFBio. This video is about how you can use the service and what advantages it brings for your own work and research. In our case, we use the search terms LiDAR and REGAL, where LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging, a technique to measure 3D point clouds, and REGAL is the provider of various full-wave laser scanning systems. Terrestrial laser scanners are, for instance, used to monitor vegetation dynamics by analyzing structural changes in tree crowns. So in our example, we are interested in studies based on a similar method with a similar measurement system. Depending on the purpose of your search for data, there are several different ways to use search terms on GFBio. The following is about the effects of the operators on the search terms and their findings. In this example, we are concentrating on the search results of the terms LiDAR and REGAL. Note that search terms are not case-sensitive. It makes no difference whether you write the word in upper or lowercase. There are 404 hits for LiDAR and 180 for REGAL. The operator plus is used to combine two search terms. It signifies an AND operation. Actually, there's no need to use plus because adjacent terms are linked by default. If used in this example, you only get 4 results. Only results in which both search terms appear are displayed. The vertical bar signifies an OR operation. In this case, there are 580 hits for LiDAR or REGAL. The operator minus indicates not. For example, LiDAR minus REGAL gives you 400 hits. Only results are listed that contain LiDAR but not REGAL. Please note that there must not be a space between the minus and the search term to be excluded. Quotes wrap a number of terms to signify a phrase for searching. You can use it for terms that need to stay together, for example, scientific or methodological names, such as light detection and ranging. This will yield results that comprise these 4 words in that order, and not data that contains these words scattered around in the metadata. You can use minus and quotes to drill down on results. The search in Quercus yields over 118,000 results. Quercus minus Quercus robur gives you around 36,000 results, and minus Quercus ilex around 35,000 results. The asterisk is used as a so-called wildcard. It signifies a prefix query at the end of a term. This shortens the search term at the root and suggests results that can be formed from this. For example, there are over 118,000 entries for Quercus, but over 14 million for Quer asterisk and only 1,222 for Quer. Feel free to try all combinations. Our green feedback button is always happy to collect your users' experience as we're constantly improving our service. It will lead you to this form. Here you can contact us and send us your feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video by GFBio.